let's talk about video, because the one thing that really does transition from television, from video killing the radio show, from television to the internet is clearly video. And one of the things that we talk about with our private clients and with people that buy the courses that we offer is, to the extent possible, get on video. And I'll tell you something, actually, Dave, that I had a podcast. Well, obviously we're recording a podcast, but when I started, it was only audio. Yeah. And I was really uncomfortable when I started. I didn't like it. In fact, I started interviewing professors to start with because I knew I could ask them one question and they talk for an hour. And then I could say thank you. And I didn't actually have to interact with them at all. And I have actually discovered my own voice and my own persona, and my own authenticity being on video, because I can see you. I enjoy talking to you. I enjoy the interaction.
Correct.
Whereas on a phone call, a recorded phone call, I get all nervous. I'm not comfortable with it. But I am unusual. Most people aren't comfortable on video. So tell me something about the journey, and from never being on video and becoming impactful, let's say, on video.
Wow, that's that's a great question. Look, here's my take on it. To be authentic and to be present takes a lot of personal development. I'm going to be very direct. Okay, to be able to stand. It's almost that imagery of being naked in front of people. Am I goofy? Am I fat? Am I thin? Am I too old? Am I too young? Am I too black? Am I too white? Am I too smart? Am I too dumb? Am I too rich? Am I too poor? We listen to an internal dialogue that's been generationally programmed all the way back to the first girlfriend. I'll never forget her. She said I had a pizza face. Why would she want to go out on a date with me? Right? 14-year-old kid with pimples and zits. She called me pizza face, broke my heart, right? So those impactful moments are programmed into us. So at some point, I feel to be impactful on video, to be resonant with the people that you're talking to, takes a level of authenticity that very few people actually meet in their lives. So let's go around in a little bit of a circle, if I may.
Sure.
Why is reality TV so impactful? Why do people watch these shows? Because now they can live somebody else's life rather than their own. And for me, that's a sad state of affairs. So I think to be impactful in any video content is authenticity, and know that we said in England, I love you, warts and all, right? I love you for your good, your bad, and your ugly. And just realizing that here's the key to that as well. I think you can get more presence and more feedback that's genuine from people if you just work on the fundamentals of communication for a start, like listening. Right? The ability to listen to somebody else and then react to what they said is a very powerful tool that not many people have.